Today we are looking at Shogayaki, or in English Japanese ginger pork. This recipe has a hidden ingredient that makes it amazing. Let's dive in. Start off by shredding a mountain cabbage and pop it to one side. Now to cut an apple into quarters. Save half for a snack. And grate up the other half. Now into your mashed apple bits, add soy sauce, 3 tablespoons to be exact. Salty. Add 3 tablespoons of mirin and 2 tablespoons of sake. Now it's time for the ginger. Peel and grate in about a 3 cm knob and give everything a quick stir. Smells amazing. Pop your meat in the bowl, no need to marinate. Heat up some oil and in goes the meat. Make sure they aren't overlapping. Give it a nice dusting of starch. This helps make the sauce. Once the meat gets a nice brown color, pour in your beautiful sauce. Yum! Get everything heated through and you're done. Time to plate up. After a small mountain of cabbage, delicately place your pieces of ginger pork. My mouth is watering. Don't forget to pour your sauce over. The cabbage looks lonely. Maybe some shiso leaves and tomato for garnish. And done. Look at that sparkle. I can't wait anymore. Taste time. Itadakimasu. The sweet apple really brings out the ginger. Hope you have a try. Till next time.